You will hear a conversation of a tutor and two students talking about origami. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 7. Now listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 7.
Now I want you to talk about the lesson we just watched on the video. Think about how origami can help children learn. Please work with the person next to you.
I did not know that folding paper could be so useful. Making a bird from paper looks simple, but it can teach many things. Now I see origami in a new way.
Yes, I agree. It was interesting to see what the children learned from origami. In the video, they listened very carefully. They wanted to follow each step in the right order to make the bird.
That's true. In this lesson, the children worked alone, but it would also be interesting if they worked together. They could try to make something without help. That would help them learn teamwork.
Yes, that would be harder. One thing I noticed was that the children had fun while learning something new.
Yes, and that is very important for children of this age. These children had no problem folding paper, but with younger children, origami could help them practice using their hands.
Yes, that's right. Shall we talk about the children we saw in the video? I wrote down their names and made some notes.
Yes, I did that too.
Okay, let's start with Sid.
He was interesting. Before the activity, he was not behaving very well.
Yes, using his hands helped him calm down and focus.
I noticed that too. What about Jack? He seemed to like finding answers by himself.
Yes, he tried different ideas instead of asking the teacher for help. What did you think about Naomi?
She looked bored at one point. Then she wanted her mouse to be the best. That made her try harder.
Yes, but she did not seem happy with it at the end.
No.
Anya did very well. She listened carefully and made a very good bird.
Yes. I think the teacher could have given her a harder task.
Maybe. I think Zara had never done origami before.
She looked confused.
Yes, she was not sure what to do. But in the end, her work was not bad.
Yes. I think it was a good learning experience for her.
Before you hear the rest, you have some time to look at questions 8 to 10. Now listen carefully and answer questions 8 to 10.
I think one reason why this activity worked well was because the teacher was ready.
Yes. It takes a long time to prepare examples and show each step. But it was a good idea. The children could see what they were trying to make. It is better than only looking at pictures.
Yes, the real examples help the teacher explain better.
It's strange that teachers do not use origami more often. Why do you think that is?
Maybe teachers think children prefer computers, especially boys, even if teachers know origami is useful.
Maybe. But it is like other craft activities. I think many teachers are not good with their hands, like me.
Yes, it takes too much effort if you are not good at it.
Anyway, I think we should try origami in our maths lesson with Year 3. It is a good way to help children learn shapes. It could also help with fractions, which they will study soon.
Good idea. Many children find fractions difficult. Origami could also help with symmetry. But I think they learned that last term.
Okay, let's plan the lesson next week.
Okay, could everyone stop now?
This is the end of the recording.